First train of today in Metairie, Union Pacific. Woo! $85.13. $62.66 and $85.88. Woo! With the horn show. This is the first train of today in Metairie, Union Pacific mixed freight train coming off the Huey P. Long Bridge, coming from Avondale, Louisiana. Hey, that one of those graffiti is Popeye. Looks like it's starting to fade or something. It's a really nice horn show. There's some nice graffiti on some of these cars. It looks like to be a pretty long train, but hey, we got a CSX, hey, whoa, we got two CSX hoppers. Wow. Oh, nice. Y'all can barely see it because it's really faded, but that's a C chassis system hopper. Wow, that's cool. Got some sodium hydroxide tankers. That was awesome. Got another sodium hydroxide tanker. Wow, all of these hoppers, all of those hoppers, zero graffiti. Wow. Well, I mean, like a little graffiti, very, very little graffiti on that one, on that last hopper, but still. Going kind of slow. Got a flat car. Really slow. Looks like he's struggling to move. Like he's having trouble trying to get up the throttle. Alright then. Alright then. Okay. Very weird graffiti, but okay. Very weird graffiti right there, but okie dokie. Oh, that's cool. Is he gonna stop? Looks like he's gonna stop. Sounds like he's going to stop, but I don't know. Got a non-authorized liquefied petroleum gas tanker. Pretty cool. Also, that right there, the SR13450DOT-SP21134. Or does anybody, or like this one again, DOT-SP21134. If anybody knows what that means, please let me know in the comments. Like, is that some like sort of like chemical or like flammable liquid? Like, what does that mean? You can hear the train horn honking at a railroad crossing way down there, past Central. Okay, now he's starting to speed back up. They got a line of flat cars coming. Chlorine interhalation hazard tanker. Another one of those. Norfolk Southern Auto Rack. Some nice graffiti on it. Here comes the flat cars. Got some flat cars. Got some wood pallets on one of the flat cars. Right there. Wow. If I zoom in, you can actually see the train tracks going up and down from the vibration of the train, which I think is really cool. Got a long lot of autolaps coming up, which I saw it because I was driving out. I was in the car on my way here, and I had saw part of his train stopped up on the bridge. So, and I saw a bunch of autolaps at the end of the train. So the end of the train is coming up soon. I see the end. I see the end. There's the end down there. Oh wow. These are the brand new Union Pacific Autolac. That's also brand new. It's got a little graffiti on it, but still brand new. And there goes train number 1 of today in Metairie, Union Pacific, with a really good horn show. Hope y'all enjoy.